This is not going to be my regular book review video. I just want to share something really wholesome, but it made me feel really, really old. Little sister. Okay? She was born in 2013, and it feels like yesterday, that she was tiny and, we were playing and all that. Now she's turned 12, she's about to become a teenager, and she started doing a business. Man, like she's doing bracelets, small chains and all that. And it makes me feel so old, like she's growing up and all that. And you know what she gave me for my birthday? She gave me something called as the blind bag, which I have no idea what it is. And
I may be stupid, no facts, but... But what? But what? But what? But what?
she made me unwrap the whole thing, and she's given me, cards at the back saying what will you get here. Like you have to pick from inside, and the color you get will be seen here. And okay, we had to like cut through 4 or 5 of these. This is not for me, this is for my sister. She likes pandas, so she got her this. This is, I have no idea what this is supposed to be. Then she told us it's supposed to be a plushy kind of thing. Like this. And yeah, this is for me because I celebrated my birthday on December 21st. It's called a birthday blind bag, and she got me a wonderful gift. And yeah. So this is what she got me. This is also supposed to be a plushie. And I never told her anything about liking Sudeep Nagarkar, but she just saw my videos and thought I read Sudeep Nagarkar, and she got me this. She's just made this into a book cover, so I like it. Bro, please stop growing up. You guys are growing up way too fast for us. And the next thing that she did, wait, is starting her own business. She started a freaking small business. Look at this. She bought all her, items here, and she wanted us to get something. And we did get something, but she didn't just give it to us. She put it in a Ziploc bag. She put a thank you sticker and all that. Let's see what's in it. So there's a, scrunchie, and there's this chain. She had the charm. She was like, whatever you want, I'll put it for you. And I got this little kitten. If you guys see it, yeah, I got a little kitten. And I just got these two, and she gave these three hairbands as compliments. Couldn't she be any cuter? And see, I'm not saying I'm very, sad that they're growing up, but I'm kind of, wishing for them to, grow up even slower. Because it feels really hard to see them, in their diapers, and now they're into their teenage doing all this, and they're very cute. I really, really, really love my sister, but this is a kind request to her. Please don't grow up fast.